Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to download your YouTube thumbnail as a creator. This is how to do it. Go to your channel homepage on YouTube, click on manage video, and here you can select the video you want to download the thumbnail. I'm going to use this one as an example. Click on the pencil icon to go to details. Now you have to scroll down and you will see the thumbnail section. Click on the three dots and click on download. It will take you to where you will download the thumbnail. Just have in mind it will download on 720p resolution. Now click on copy image or you click on save as. And when you go to your home page, you will see the thumbnail right here. By default, the format is on WEBP. So if you want to convert that to PNG, you have to open it with Paint. Open with Paint, click on File, click on Save As, and click on PNG Picture. Now save it. You will now have the PNG version of the thumbnail. So that's how you download your thumbnail on YouTube. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.